Safely crack your back. When you're feeling tired and stressed, a good way to relieve the tension in your body is to crack your back. Sometimes, your spine may feel tight and your body will literally feel hard. You can keep the alignment of your spine in place even as you crack your back. Here's how to do it safely. Make sure you can do it. Before you crack your back or move your body around, make sure that you are in good health. If you have a medical condition such as a stiff neck, or spinal injuries or scoliosis, it may not be a good idea to manipulate your spine unless it is done by a trained chiropractor or other professional. Relax. The first thing you should do is to relax your body if you want to safely stretch and crack your spine. If you are tense, it won't work and it will be difficult to get it done. Whether you do it yourself or have it done for you, it's important to keep your shoulders loose and your back relaxed. Stretch backwards. An easy way to crack your back is to stand up or sit down with your hands behind your head. Lock your fingers together and push your head against your hands so that your back is arching backwards. Do it slowly and you will feel the stretch on your back. Your stomach should be pushing outwards. Hold the position for a few seconds, then do a reverse stretch by curling your back forward. Do it sitting down. Sit on the floor. The left leg should be outstretched forward while the other leg is bent at an angle. Place the right bent leg on the other side of the straightened leg so that straightened leg will act as an anchor. Twist your body towards the right side. Use your left elbow to push against the right knee to further the stretch. You should hear your back crack. Reverse the position of your legs to stretch the opposite way. If you want to further the stretch, turn your head and try to see as far back as you can. This will give your spine a full stretch and make it crack in the process. Do it lying down. You can do the same stretch but lying down. Relax your body. Twist your lower body so that your back is flat on the ground while your left leg is straightened and the right leg is bent. As you try to push your leg down, you'll feel a stretch and your back should crack. Reverse the position of your legs so you can crack it the opposite direction. Have it done professionally. If you don't know how to crack your own back or you can't seem to get it done right, go to a chiropractor. A trained masseuse should also be able to safely crack your back without causing pain. You'll feel better immediately. There are various ways to crack your back. The key is to relax and let your body stretch naturally. Try it and you'll feel better instantly.